the 285-pounders, the heavyweight. We're ready for you to line up to wrestle. Here is your match. Man number 1, Sawyer McCaffrey from Warren. Alex Chenoweth from New London, man number 1. Man 2, Chris Dalkey, Appleton North. Kane Huff, DC Everest, man number 2. Man 3, Trayvon Johnson, Verona. Alex Wendorf, Watertown. Man 4, Andrew Nugent, Badger. Jake Dupay, Ozaukee, man 4. Nolan White from DC Everest, please come to the head table. Nolan White.
Back up, back up.